Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this eye look with the Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palettes. And I also have a surprise for you. It's not at the end of the video, so if I were you, I would just watch the whole video because it's somewhere in here. And it is something that you guys will like. So like you can see, I already did my eyebrows and I carved them out. So I'm just putting translucent powder on top, the Airborne, I love it. And now I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro HD palette. I don't have the names of the eyeshadows because the palette doesn't have names, but this is just a transition color. And as you can see, I'm doing like windshield wipers and circle motion, windshield wipers and circle motion, just like I usually do. Today, I put a tape right underneath because I wanted to do put some eyeshadow right underneath so it can be nice and neat. And I actually love the way it came out, and you'll see at the end. Next, I'm moving on to a darker color, and I got more of a smaller brush, I tapered, and I'm just doing circle of motion and windshield wiper just like I did with the transition color in the beginning. And I'm saying wow here because the eyeshadow is awesome. Like it blended really nicely, guys. So I'm moving on to the next color, and it's the brown that I just showed you guys. And I got a smaller brush. I believe this is my Cosette, and it's really taper. I love this brush as much as I like my M507 by Murphy. Love it. So I'm just intensifying the color, guys. You guys know that I like neutral colors, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So I put the tape, like I said, underneath, and it made it a little bit bolder. I really like this technique with the tape. So all I'm doing is fast forward so you guys can see that, I continue building color. So here I'm using the Superstay Maybelline concealer, and I want you guys to take a look at what I just did. When I did the concealer, you see how I look up? That's just so I can get where my cut crease should stop at. I got this technique from a beauty blogger, and I really think it works, guys. So yeah, so now I'm putting translucent powder on top just so the concealer doesn't transfer anymore. Next, I'm going to be using a pencil brush, and I'm going to tap a little bit on the brown, this brown right there, and I'm just going to go on my crease. And the reason why I got the pencil brush is because you can really get in that cut crease, on that crease, to create a cut crease. And yeah, it worked really well. I stutter so much, guys. I'm so sorry. Right now, I have to do a lot of voiceovers because my son is home. He still has pink eye. And yeah, so that's why I'm doing voiceovers. I hope you guys don't mind. Next, I'm going to be using this metallic pink in the palette. I did spray my synthetic flat brush. I just felt like you can see more of the metallic when you spray it on. I think next time I won't put translucent powder if I'm going to use that same color. I'm just going to put the concealer on and then put this color on top. And here I just went back to the brown and kind of like, blended in the two colors, the metallic and the brown. And guys, here is the Pretty Vulgar liner that I just got from my Boxycharm. And guess what, guys? I'm going to be giving away a new Boxycharm that I just got. And that liner is going to be in the Boxycharm. All you have to do is just follow the rules. I'll put it in the description. So here I'm just doing the liner. The liner is pretty cool and very easy to create a liner with it. So yeah, I really like this. And the pencil came in the box as well, so you'll be getting one as well. Here I took the tape off, and a clean brush, guys, I'm just softening up the eyeshadow because the tape does give it a really harsh look, and I want it to be a little bit softer before I put my foundation, even though I don't show you guys that I put the foundation on in this video. I just stayed with just showing you guys the eyes because I did not want the video to be as long as my last video. That was Monday or Tuesday. Anywho's, here I'm using the CoverGirl, what is it called? Peacock mascara. And I'm going to put some new lashes on. I got this at Five Below. They're called My Lashes. So when I put them on, they look wonderful. But once I took them off, guys, like I don't think I can use them again because they kind of bend. I'm being silly here. They kind of bend a little bit, so I wouldn't use them again. But they were $3, so it was just worth the try. I'm not sure I would buy them again. I mean, they weren't bad, but I can't use them twice, so I'm not really sure. I mean, I bought them at Five Below. What are you going to do? I was just trying them out. Here, I'm just using the light metallic, and I just wanted to put it in the corner of my eyes. And I actually think that it did a nice job I didn't spray the brush. So, oh my God, guys. This Pixie liner I absolutely love, and I'm almost done, and I keep forgetting to go to Walmart or Target and getting a new one, or maybe getting a backup because I love it. It just, oh, it's so wonderful. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. And remember that the rules will be in the description, and don't leave yet because I got some funny things coming right about now.